Alright, this is a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's got 28,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. It's got a clean Carfax and clean CARFAX One-Owner. Alright, it's a really nice black metallic. Go ahead and give you the walk around. Alright, we'll make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. Everything looks really good. No problems. Make our way along the back side of the vehicle. It is equipped with backup camera. Everything looked good there. Along the passenger side, everything looks like it's in good shape. Well taken care of. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Okay, door panel's in good shape. Got the nice cloth insert there. Black cloth seats. Alright, the cloth's in really good shape. Does come with 2 key fobs as well. And the passenger seat is in fantastic shape. No issues, not one problem with these seats. Everything's been well taken care of. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your auxiliary and power outlet there. Climate control panel. Alright, CD player. And it does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. We'll go ahead and get a shot of your mileage. It's got 28,510 miles. All right, we've had the air conditioner on now for about 10 minutes. Air conditioner is blowing cold. We'll go ahead and give you a shot of your backup camera as well. All right, back seat cloth's in good shape. No problems back here. The backs of the seats look good. No problems whatsoever. Alright, even the carpet down here is in great shape. And I'll go ahead and let you kind of see the console and the layout of the dash. Everything's in good shape there. Let's go ahead and check out the trunk storage and the trunk space. Everything looks really good back here. Carpet's in great shape. Go ahead and step to the side, let you see the depth there. Plenty of room for suitcases, plenty of room for a golf bag. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 15-inch steel wheels on here. And a brand new set of tires. Depth's really good there in the tread. Okay, once again, it's a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's got 28,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. It's got a clean Carfax with one owner. Okay, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.